Previously, I've made Minecraft Java Opengl fix video, but a lot of you guys said that it's not working on Lunar client. So here I am with my old laptop. I installed Windows 10 Potato Edition so that it could run Lunar cause Lunar needed Windows 10. I also edited this video with this setup, by the way. Tried launching it, waited for like 10 minutes cause I'm playing on a hard drive, and obviously ran into the same issue as you guys. If I open up GPU-C, you can see that my Opengl is at 3.1. It's not supported for the game. If you didn't know, Minecraft needed Opengl 3.2 to run since 1.17. So the most I could play is 1.16.5. So here's how to fix it. This solution should work on any PC regardless of specs. Every time you exit, you have to delete the opengl32.dll file and repeat the whole process. This is to avoid the error that makes Lunar reinstalls Java in the loop. Also, this will not work if you put the file before launching it, as it will cause the same error that makes Lunar installs Java. You can just make use of shortcuts to make this process faster, like putting the file outside the folder when you want to launch Lunar before then putting it back. Finally, the game is loaded, so it actually works. Like and subscribe if this works for you as well. But soon, you'll notice that the game is running slower than it should be. Why is this and how can you fix it? So, when you run a game, it uses your CPU and GPU. Minecraft Java is rendered with Opengl, which comes from the GPU, so when your GPU doesn't support the Opengl needed, the game wouldn't be able to run. That's when Meshaf3D comes to play. It's a file that offers Opengl capabilities that when applied to a game will replace your unsupported GPU so that it will force the game to run, but the performance completely relies on your CPU and RAM. That's why the game gets almost unplayable. So how do you boost the FPS? Easy, just lower the resolution to 640 by 480 or even lower, disable everything and use to render distance. This way you'll get the most FPS. Is there another solution that doesn't lower your FPS? Yes, there are 3 other solutions, but with some catches. First, update the graphics driver. This only works on Hyperbridge CPUs or above. I recommend this method the most, but if your CPU is lower than a 3rd gen, it won't change anything, maybe start from a slightly better performance. Second, use a Linux OS. This only works on Bridge or 2nd gen Intel CPUs. It works because the Bridge driver on Linux had better support than Windows, plus you'll get extra performance. Third, buy a graphics card. Anything that came out since 2007, because that's when Opengl 3.3 started being implemented, and Minecraft only needed Opengl 3.2, though only for PC users. I don't recommend installing an external GPU on a laptop, so if you use a laptop and none of these are an option to you, you have to buy a better laptop. Or just do the method I showed you in this video, it should work on any PC. These are what I've come up with for my own research. If you found a better solution, do let me know in the comments. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope it helps, and if it does, please do like and subscribe. At the end, the best option that you should be doing is to work harder and upgrade your PC. So yeah, that's about it. Wait, I think I said that was. Anyways, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.
みんな幸せ、くたまり